I'm the director and founder of Composing Together. That was I Want to Eat a Salad Right Now from Composing Together's project-based distance learning program for all levels of middle school musicians. There are 8 step-by-step units that cover rhythm, pitch, meter, notation on paper and in MuseScore, melodic development, the ABA form, practice techniques, and even how to promote and perform your world premiere. The end of each unit has worksheets and vocabulary lists, and the whole project conforms to the National Core Arts Standards for middle school. You can learn more about this online program as well as classroom residencies, commissions, and assemblies at composingtogether.org.